This particular robot that I'll be dropping today is specifically meant for those that love scalping, that just want to go into the trade, hit a particular target, and they are out instantly just like that. Hello guys, so this is Mr. P. Today I'll actually just be dropping a really crazy robot, right? Now this particular robot, you can actually use it to mine from the market crazily just like that. Right now, all you just simply need to do is to note your target, right? Your target of scalping. You note your target of scalping, you hit the target, and you are out of the market just like that, right? You are out of the market just like that, right? So it's meant for fast scalping. So this particular robot is actually called market speed, right? It's actually called market speed. Now, the reason is because it's going into the market to hit a particular target. After it has hit that target, you should leave the trade, right? You shouldn't be waiting anymore or something. You should leave the trade, stop the robot, and instantly hit on withdraw and take out your profit just like that. So I'll be showing you exactly how you can actually install this particular stuff now, right? I'll be showing you how you can install it and the rules that you need to obey to actually use this particular robot just like that. So if you're new to this particular channel, just remember to hit on the subscription button, hit on the like button, and also remember to turn on the notification bell and share this video so more people can actually gain access to this video just like that. So not to waste so much time, let's check it out now, guys. Okay guys, so just a note, this particular robot is not available on the website now, right now. It's not there now, but will be on the website just 3 days from now. So please guys, don't write in the comments that it's not on the website now, because it's not there now, right? It will be available 3 days from now, from when this video was actually uploaded, right? Just 3 days from there, it should be on the website. So the website is actually mrpfx.com, or you can just check on the description box there. You should actually see a link to the website and just hit the link to the website there. Okay, now after downloading, you should download in a zip format. Now first of all, you need to unzip it using any unzip application like your WinRAR or just like that, right? I will usually recommend WinRAR, or you can use any other unzip application of your choice. Now after unzipping it, copy that file, go under your files, then go under your open data folder, right? Just like that. Now after there, you simply go under your MQ5. Your MQ5, you go there, and then you go under your experts, right, and paste it under your experts there. You paste it under your experts. You can also paste it under your indicators, right? You can also paste it there, or you can just paste it under your experts. It's okay. Now after which you close everything, close your MT5 and everything, and then you start it up again. By the time you start it up, you should see that it's now in your MT5. So you can then look for it under your expert and just double click on it. It should be showing here just like that. After which you just click on algo trading. Just click on algo trading and it should start trading just like that. Okay, so you should start trading. Now what we'll be doing now, guys, is I'll be showing you how this particular stuff works on our synthetic indices first, right, which is our boom and crash. We'll just be using boom and crash as an example. A synthetic indices, it can work on our synthetic indices like a boom 500, crash 500, boom 1000, crash 1000, volatility 75, step index, and the rest of them. But we'll just be using boom 500 as an example, right? Now after which I'll be showing you exactly how it works also on our US 100, right? On our US 100. Now the exact settings of our US 100 is the same. That's a NASDAQ, right? A NASDAQ, right? Is the same settings for our US 30, and it's the same settings for our Forex pair like our Euro USD, GBP USD, and the rest of them. So we'll just be using just 2 examples to actually save time, because we don't want this video to be so long, guys. So let's start now. Now, after installing it, now all you just simply need to do, guys, is this. Go on your time frame and make sure that it's on your 1 hour time frame, right? On your 1 hour time. Synthetic indices or currencies or any pair, right? Anything. Just make sure it's on your 1 hour time frame. Right now, after that, you just start up your algo trading, because you would have installed it, right? You just start up your algo trading. Now we'll just be running a back test now to actually see how this particular stuff actually works, right, in real life. So you're running the back test, guys. This is actually what we're having. So we're actually just having remember, we're using $100 to actually run this particular stuff just like that. So currently we actually have losses already, right? We've lost approximately 50 cents already. So we'll actually just try making this stuff fast now, because come on, guys, we don't want this video to be so long, right? So let's actually just make it a little bit faster. Remember, guys, this stuff is running on 1 hour time frame just like that, and boom, and boom, currently well, this still within the first day, and we've actually made like 15 bucks in this account. Always look at the red, guys. There's also red. Our target is just to hit, let's say, like 100 200 bucks within the next 2 weeks or so. Remember, you can do this stuff every day, right? You hit a target of, let's say, 20 bucks, 10 bucks or so every day or so. Remember, guys, this stuff is a little account, so we are trying to reduce our target profit, right? So we can just hit 10 20 bucks every day, so okay, right? Or you can actually just run it on your VPS and work with every week or something like that. But if I actually run this particular stuff for this first day, that's made like 15 bucks already. So if my target was let's say 20 bucks, you can see within that day, at the end of that day, it's actually made 25. So if the target for that day was 20 bucks, I would have hit my target and I would have been out of the trade just like that. So let's just continue. Very soon. Okay, let's actually just see that. Currently, we're still having like 160 something, right? Just 160 something. So we just wait. That's 170 something now. Okay, this around 280 something now. Well, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So this 11th of October now, and that's 200 bucks we are hitting. That's 200 bucks. So we just actually hit 200 bucks of profits now. That's well, within 12 days. Within 12 days, it's not up to 14 days yet. Let's just see how much this stuff actually closes on. Okay, currently it's like approximately 210 that we have in currently, right? Let's actually just see that now. Boom. Okay, so well, it actually had some red on it, so it stopped and closed those ones. But technically, if the trade was still running, we would have been able to recover those red and the rest. It's just that it stopped exactly on the 14, things like that. So currently, we actually made approximately 200 bucks. That's within the 14 days, right? We actually made approximately 200 bucks, which is not bad, guys. Which is not bad. That's actually cool. Remember, this is actually a 100 bucks account. So if you are using 10 times of that, like you're using 1,000 bucks, you know how much you actually be making. So instead of picking like 200 bucks, you should be picking around 2,000 bucks or so. That's 10 times of that, things like that. So let's actually just quickly check this particular stuff on our US 100, just like that. So if we actually check this stuff now, we're actually running it also with a $100 balance. Now for these guys, make sure that it's not lower than 100 bucks, right? For synthetic, it can be like 80 bucks, but for what they calling it, for stock indices and a forex pair, it can be below 100 bucks. Okay, guys, please just follow that. Okay, now after that, we actually just start this up. Now let's actually see what we're having. And this is like the 11th day, right? It's like the 11th day, so it's almost hitting 2 weeks. So let's actually just see how this particular stuff actually gets completed, right? Let's just see how it gets completed. So now what you should note this particular stuff is US 100, right? So US 100 is extremely volatile. So if you're scared of markets that are very volatile, don't use it on US 100, right? You can use it on Euro USD and GBP JPY and what they calling it, and USD JPY and things like that, right? If you are scared of volatile markets. But if you're okay with markets that is volatile, you can run it here because the profits will be very fast, right? Because it's volatile, and it will also like ignore a lot of signals and things like that also, because it's trying to filter the trades just like that. So so far so good. We've made over 50 bucks, right? We made over 50 bucks here before it closed. But okay, let's just say we made about 45 bucks now, right? We made about 45 bucks just like that. So guys, this is just how this particular stuff actually goes. So just remember, guys, this particular robot will drop on the website 3 days from now and it's going up for free. You're not paying a dime for this particular stuff, guys. So you just use this particular stuff to scalp, like I already said. You've set your target for the day. You set your target for the day and make sure that, let's say, you're actually having 100 bucks. Now, the recommended target I would tell you to do is to just set a target for like 10, 15 bucks, right? To be very sure, to be very, very sure. But then if you want to hold, like you want to stretch a bit further, then just leave it on 20 bucks, okay? 20 bucks, that's if you're having 100 bucks capital. If you're having any other capital, just do the multiplication like that. So if you're having 200 bucks, you can multiply that by 2, right? You can multiply that by 2. If you're having 300 bucks by 3, if you're having 1,000 bucks, you can multiply that by 10, right? So it just depends on the amount of your capital like that, right? So Yeah, that's just how it goes, guys. Just remember, it has to be on your 1 hour time frame, things like that, and you just have to install it properly. And remember to start up your algo trading, guys. A lot of people always forget about starting the trading. You just install and forget to start up the algo trading, just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So if you're new to this channel, just remember to hit on the subscription button, hit on the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell and share those videos so more people can actually gain access to the video, just like that. So that's just how this particular stuff goes, guys. So in this place, we actually give out free robot indicators that you can actually use to mine for the market crazily, just like that. It's a bye for me, guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.